Okay, again everyone, this is our Yellow Chronomasin parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow Chronomasin parrot is the most commonly thief Amazon due to its sleeping ability and playfulness.
That's right. And female is to copy sound of what they hear every day.
Can you say hi?
Hi!
They can mimic a different sounds of animals. First is a rooster. Somebody a rooster. Okay, how about cats?
Okay, ready? Can you bark?
And also, they can mimic a telephone ringing and a whistle. But the telephone.
I'm gonna back in my phone. I'm gonna back in my phone.
Okay, how about whistle?
And also, Ruby and Lani will love to sing, but before they sing, we need to have a warm-up first.
Okay, let's do the warm up. The next is the first song. Okay, again. Okay, the birthday second song with next first. So celebrating their birthdays today or within this month. Okay, hi, happy birthday now. Listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Okay, everybody sing happy birthday. Okay, again. Sing happy birthday. The last one, sing happy birthday. Good. So everyone, round of applause starting with the bird name, Lani and Rudy.